make interventions are likely to assign me the same role. Though I could request him next time to assign it to Alice Wahome if she doesn't make the necessary interventions. And that brings me to the question of the public-private partnership. President William Ruto, since ascending to the high office 9 months ago, has traveled the width and breadth of the world, seeking partnerships, looking for investors to come and bring money in this country, partner with the government to build dams, water ponds, sink boreholes, and assist us to deal with the effects of climate change. But our detractors, the ones we defeated at the ballot, have connived with the press, especially the nation newspapers, to belittle the efforts of the president, because the nation newspapers and the other press were part and parcel of the Azimio Brigade. And they are still living in denial. They are the heck and beck of the opposition to try to belittle the government and to try to bring the government of William Ruto down by creating a false narrative. Yesterday, they carried a headline that President William Ruto, for the 9 months he has been in office, he has used 3 times what his predecessor, President Uhuru Kenyatta, used during the same period. And that is very true. In fact, 3 times is not enough. That is true. What they did not tell the country, and they can't do so because they are subjective, and they are part of the scheme to belittle President William Ruto and the government. What they should have done is do an analysis of what President Uhuru Kenyatta did in those 9 months. How many countries did he travel to? How many local travels did he do? If they were honest to do analysis, they will find that within the 9 months, President William Ruto has done 8 times what President Uhuru Kenyatta did, and hence the escalation of the budget.